Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to do a case study in business. We'll cover defining the problem, gathering data, analyzing findings, and presenting effective solutions. This easy method helps you tackle complex business challenges systematically. You'll learn to structure your analysis for clear, impactful recommendations, making your insights valuable for decision-making. Let's get started on mastering this essential skill. The first crucial step is to clearly define the core problem or opportunity. This involves understanding the situation's background and identifying the main challenge. Ask yourself, what exactly needs to be solved or improved? Setting clear objectives and formulating specific questions will provide a strong foundation for your entire analysis, ensuring you stay focused and efficient. Next, you need to gather and analyze all relevant data. This might include financial statements, customer feedback, or industry reports. Organize this information systematically to spot trends and critical insights. Analyzing the data helps you understand the underlying causes of the problem, not just the symptoms. Structured analysis tools can make this process much more effective and insightful. Finally, develop actionable solutions and prepare your presentation. Brainstorm several options, then evaluate each one based on its feasibility, cost, and potential impact. Choose the best recommendation and back it up with solid evidence from your analysis. Present your findings clearly and persuasively, highlighting the problem, your analysis, and your proposed solution. A well-structured presentation makes your insights impactful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.